Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping. On the application of Pinterest, we go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we go to this window of Pinterest and we click here. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here on this page you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.